Hi everyone, welcome to SEP OmniLytics by Patent Cloud. In this video, we will look at SEP OmniLytics exclusive features, the Essentiality Rankings indicator and automated claim chart. We can see the percentage of patent families with high essentiality in the company overview table. After setting your filters and selecting a company, you can see the percentage of standard essential patents for each ranking with the Essentiality Analysis chart. Before we go on, let's take a look at how Essentiality Ranking works. SEP OmniLytics Essentiality Rankings come from the combination of two indicators, TS Relevancy and Claim Scope Support. The TS Relevancy indicator shows how relevant a standard essential patent is to its corresponding technical specification. This is done by mapping keywords found in the technical specifications to each independent claim. The other indicator is Claim Scope Support, which measures how relevant a patent's claims are to its specification. This is also done by mapping keywords. By combining the rankings for the two indicators, we get the Essentiality Ranking indicator. Now, back to SEP OmniLytics. You can take a more detailed look at how TS Relevancy and Claim Chart Support contribute to the rankings here. You can get the list of corresponding patents by clicking on the group. Select the patents you want to download or save in Patent Vault for later use. To see the automated claim chart for each standard essential patent, you can click on the indicator rankings. Here you can see how each independent claim for this patent is ranked, the patent's corresponding declarations, and technical specifications. Click on a ranking to see the automated claim chart. You can choose each claim element and the technical specification you want to map it to. Critical keywords are highlighted in the technical specification in yellow, and general keywords are mapped in green. You can see related terms and the 3GPP specification that defines the term by mousing over each critical keyword. Also, you can examine the automated claim chart for the Claim Scope Support indicator by clicking on the rankings under Claim Scope Support. Thanks for watching.